Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban pencelur bat aiman sia mi kisamla pule bakinang Tracy Tom bat kinang yaile bha susu haki jing pule ki bakham chalor ki jongki kaseng sang partai National People's Party jong ka jirang circle haka khatnyo trek mentau naitung arajar kat kandai da ka jirap lang UMLA ka jirang constituency uba sostenis sotun kalapun ko boram mi kisamla pule jong ka jirang constituency ki belawan chakmat haka examen secondary school living certificate jong unisnam arajar kat kandai kani kade ka sen ka bar bakum UMLA ula shimkhia ban pun ko boram mi kisamla pule kani ka than khnang ban ai masiam shu yi kisamla pule bakin yai treshitom ban penmiru iki klor bating san na kani ka than hagani ka jingpun ko boram laidan langro UMLA ka mauhati uba dasakhiat bha lamare ubalalong kongsan hakani ka jelang nang ta UMLA ka jirang constituency uba sostenis soton u district school education officer ka ribhoi district uba VS nongban u block development officer ka umling CNRD block uba Roderick Nongrom u chairman ka sanjok kirang basnong Bernihat area uba Francis Lapang ki principal na ki school ba Peroper ki noilam ka NPP jirang ki reorang ba bat ki khana school hakani gasngi kiladan aru prangot ki khana school ki balapoi haka kerdan first division haka examen SSLC ki balayo buram hakani gasngi ringkat ki mementos
Last year we have this program in November, the Western Way, and this year we rotate to the Eastern part. And this program, we organize this program, we facilitate this, the students, the pass-out students, to encourage our young students for their further education. We want to encourage the other students of class 9, class 10 so that they will work hard in adhering their different exams so that they will be successful. Successful candidates, successful students, I would like to appreciate each and every school teachers, like the principals, the teachers who have worked hard, who have made sure that their students will come with flying colors, that their students will succeed in their exam. And not only the teachers, it is the duty of each and every student. It is the duty of each and every student that you work hard for your own career.
Thank you so much for being here. It's a pleasure to be here amongst you guys, all of you, especially for a program such as this. Because I'll tell you, 12 years of my life, everybody has a 12 years life in school, whoever is studying till class 12 guys. I've never been facilitated. Not because there's nobody to facilitate me or congratulate me for my time of passing, but it's because I was never a bad student. To be honest. But I'm always an average student. I've never crossed 65% in my life. To be honest. So it's a big fun for me here, to be here with all of you and to facilitate you. And why it is fun? Because I feel proud. I feel proud because me myself, not a bad student, but to be here and facilitate and congratulate you guys who are really bright. And the first one who got a best student got somewhere around 94% of the student. That is awesome. But guys like me who never student, that is pretty awesome to us. So I'm really happy to you guys. Once again, thank you so much for having me here as a chief guest especially. And I hope that this program, like our honorable has said, and 1, 2, this program as a matter of being overpowered. This program is a matter of pride, is a matter of honor for you students. Because why? You've worked hard, you've got what you deserve, and it's very thankful to the organization that they are here and they have facilitated you. So, one request from my side, as an elder brother, one as a loving one to your receiver, I would like to request you that don't take this presentation in a negative way. You take it in a positive way and make sure through this you work harder. You work harder, study harder, choose your career better, and we hope that one day, maybe next year, when there will be a third ceremony like this, we'll see you again along with other students who will be following your example. That is what we want to see. That is what Emily would love to see. I'm pretty sure about it. Okay, don't take it negative, work harder, study harder, and we will all see you guys once again in a better position than you are right now. Even though you are in the best position right now, we obviously hope that one day we will see you in a better